Hi everyone, Zach Pigoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 21-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 21-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 21-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 21-1 work together, where we will be journalizing and posting entries for accrued revenue. So the instructions say the accounting forms for the following problem are in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. On December 31st of the current year, Maris Corporation has one note receivable that is outstanding, a 120-day, 12%, $4,000 note dated November 16th. Number 1. Plan the adjustment on a worksheet and label the adjustment A. Number 2. Journalize and post the adjusting entry for accrued interest income on December 31st. Use page 14 of a general journal. Number 3. Journalize and post the closing entry for interest income using page 14 of a general journal. Number 4. Journalize and post the January 1st reversing entry for accrued interest income on page 15 of a general journal. And for number 5, journalize the receipt of cash for the maturity value of the note on March 16th, receipt number 32. Use page 16 of a cash receipts journal and post the amounts in the general columns to the general ledger. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 21-1 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 21-1 work together, in which we will be journalizing and posting entries for accrued revenue. Alright, so that is the end of the 21-1 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 21-2 text. Okay, thank you.